here in a 2024 Beneteau Oceanis 40.1. I want to give you a quick look around. This is a 2-cabin with the workshop version. Very versatile for folks out cruising, need a little bit of storage space, and this boat can easily be converted back into a 3-cabin boat. This boat has a lot of nice features with the teak seats, the deluxe wood table, life raft storage within, electronics over on the starboard side. This boat has a bow thruster, electrically operated swim platform. Beautiful space here, probably 8 people sitting around for dinner. Genoa sheet winches aft. This boat has the in-mast furling mainsail. Also has the Genoa tracks and the self-tacking jib track. Moving forward, you can see those Genoa tracks, the self-tacking jib, lots of nice hatches in deck. We have the staysail tack fitting already in place, and electric windlass, which can be controlled back at the helm. Bowsprit integrated detachment point for spinnaker or code 0. Of course, the anchor is underneath. Real nice. Love how we now have doors instead of washboards in place for just quick and easy access down below every time you come to your boat. Nice gently sloped stairs. Opens up into this great layout with the galley all down the starboard side. The beautiful settee over here on the port side with great seating around. Nice white oak interior on this boat. Just take a quick look at the galley. You'll see a fridge access from the top as well as the front to really maximize what you can put in there. That is the microwave space, which this boat is pre-wired for. Really nice size oven, double basin sink, plenty of storage all around. There's also storage underneath these floorboards. I love how there's space up here. You can actually put something here perhaps. Great place to put something on the wall. That's the compression post for the mast. This is the 2-cabin, but 1-head boat, which really simplifies things. What it does also is really opens up space in this forward cabin. Looking back, you have all this wall space. Put a great print perhaps of your boat right there. Plenty of space to get ready. Giant hanging locker, and then panning around you see just how large of a berth this is. It's actually wider as you go forward. Most boats with a V berth that actually gets pinched off a little bit. Massive sized berth here. Nice port lights to provide view outside. Also let some light in, and a hatch overhead and another hanging locker to port. This boat has air conditioning. You'll see the vents throughout the boat. There's one in the forward cabin here. Moving our way aft. There again is that settee over here on the port side. Tons of space, really comfortable. You see that nav station built in. You have your seat right here, very simplified Beneteau instrument panel. All the switches you need, nothing that you don't. Air conditioning, thermostat and control, inverter, which is built in. This is ship control, a Beneteau feature. You see all of your tank levels, electrical capacity, it all will show up on here. Just great finishes. Fusion stereo. Let's have a look at the head and shower on this boat. So electric flush head and plenty of space on the floor. Then as we come in and look forward, we have a nice shower, dedicated space with a clear door, bifold door that locks off that area. Gives you plenty of place to shower, and you don't have to then dry off the countertops and other items in here. So really nice to have that dedicated shower space and a very large head. Let's have a look at the 2 aft cabins. Aft starboard is a very nice berth, perfect rectangle. Has a hatch into the cockpit, another one up here overhead into the cockpit. Over the top sides for light and visibility. Has its own hanging locker. Has its own thermostat for air conditioning right here. And then back out and go over to the port side. So this is what they call the workshop. And this is primarily set up for storage. You see these nice built-in cubbies. There is a ton of storage capability here. Have a little partition. You can put a ton of things back here. If you were a true cruiser and needed that, those are the sails, by the way, in bags. But this is just a partition. Okay, this can very easily be removed along with this piece here. You can put any sort of finishes you need on the wood, or simply remove this and this, put a mattress in here, and off you go. You have an entire another cabin, making this a 3-cabin boat. So it would be very easy to convert this boat, and you would always have the option to convert it back. So very versatile layout in the boat that we have in stock right now. There you have it, a quick tour of our Beneteau 40.1 that we have in stock here at Cape Yachts. Love this boat. I've sold a couple to folks who just very thoroughly enjoy them, whether they go day sailing a lot, the occasional weekend, or truly cruising from here to Florida. I have a client who has done that and been very pleased with their boat. The air conditioning does a great job down below here, and takes care of you wherever you are doing your summer boating or winter in the Bahamas and Florida. Give me a call. I'll leave my contact information here. Brian Fisher at Cape Yachts. Come see this boat before the Newport Boat Show. Not sure she'll be around at that point. Thank you.